Honorable Speaker, Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Deputy Prime Ministers, Honorable Leader of Opposition, Honorable Member of Parliament, ladies and gentlemen, Nishambula Vinaka. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise to provide an update on the progress of our logging operation in the Maritime Islands, a vital project that contributes to our economy and support our local communities. A project where government has also re-strategized and invested heavily since this financial year, recognizing and addressing the plight of our resource owners on this island. Mr. Speaker, sir, the total area of pine to be harvested in Moani, Kandabo, for this project amount to 83 hectares, a significant undertaking that requires a careful planning, considerable logistic and interagency coordinations before execution. Mr. Speaker, sir, I am pleased to announce that $600,000 was released last Friday from the Ministry of Finance to meet the budget cost for Moani. Mr. Speaker, sir, groundwork costs include field verification for stock taking as a requirement for harvesting, license and Moani jetty scoping for a total of $13,500. The budget grant of $600,000 will cover the transportations of 6 barge loads, each carrying 2,000 tons from Moani to Lautoka Port. Mr. Speaker, sir, I am pleased to report that the logging companies, Drelanga Holdings Limited and Boning Bush Pte Limited, is currently conducting a logging in Moani. The expected first load is scheduled for 1st June 2024. Mr. Speaker, sir, please allow me to highlight the details of the machines that makes up the logging fleets currently in Moani. A total of 4 John Deere skidders, 3 cat bell loaders, 1 cat front loader, 1 cat bulldozer, and 3 trucks, 1 12-wheeler and 2 10-wheelers. In addition, 4 twin cabs are used as standby vehicles on site. These machines and vehicles are essentials for the successful transport, staking and stockpiling of logs at every stage of our operation as per a standard requirement of harvesting plans. Harvesting crews consist of 30 dedicated contractors, which their own specific roles, from machine operators to chainsaw operators, all working together to ensure the smooth operation of our harvesting project. These workers are currently camping in the village of Moani with the accommodations provided by the landowners for the comfort and the convenience of the contractors. With guidance from the Fiji Road Authority, the port construction is anticipated to be completed on the 24th May 2024, subject to favorable weather conditions. Mr. Speaker, sir, importantly, the landowners will be paid by Tropic Wood Industries at the rate of $60 per ton, resulting in expected total payout of $0.8 million. This final support will not only benefit the landowners, but also underline our commitment to fostering positive relationship with our communities who are rely on government for technical support towards investments. Mr. Speaker, sir, the same initiative has been projected for Lakemba, whereby another $250,000 had been released as an additional grant to Fiji Pine Trust from the Ministry of Finance. This will be for the construction of the port in Wainyambia. Lakemba, in consultation with the Fiji Roads Authority, Forest Powerhouse, a company that will be contracted to construct the Lakemba port, is expected to start before the month end. The harvesting license is currently being progressed to ensure all requirements are complied with. Mr. Speaker, sir, the expected return for the landowners in Lakemba will be $960,000 for the initial license area of 83 hectares. The total area stocked in Lakemba is about 700 hectares, and license will be progressively determined based on current level of compliance and preparation of harvesting plans for identified viable areas suitable for harvesting. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry is working closely with the Fiji Pine Trust in developing a 20-year forest management plan with a vesting schedule for all pine scheme in the Maritime Islands. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Narodake Pine Scheme in Ngau has also been assisted through Forestry Pine Development Capital Project in processing pine post. The Ministry has committed a total of $25,000 and produced a volume of 79 cubic meters worth of $59,724.75 from these sales. With these funds, the Narodake Pine Schemes also was able to purchase a 3-ton canopy truck. Together with assistance from the Ministry of Trade and Cooperative, the scheme managed to develop the Narodake Cooperative Limited as part of a community development program for Fiji Pine Trust grant and Head 32 Maritime Pine Development. Mr. Speaker, sir, under the Head 50, Moala and Lakemba had been assisted in the housing rehabilitation program. A total of 82.5 cubic meters for Moala, which is equivalent to 15 house frames, and 60.5 cubic meters for Lakemba, which is equivalent to 11 house frames, were funded. Value of timber harvested and processed for Lakemba house frames is $66,550 and $90,750 for Moala. Mr. Speaker, sir, there are various measurable output and outcome from this maritime project. Support and beneficiaries including the community, private sectors, and nation as a whole. For the communities, Mr. Speaker, sir, there are firstly finance benefit. These include the payments of $60 per ton to landowners, resulting in a total payout of $0.8 million. Direct finance support will enhance the livelihood of local landowners and their families. Secondly, Mr. Speaker, sir, there is an employment opportunity for communities. The project will create numerous job opportunities in logging, transportation, and port operation, leading to increased employment in the local communities. Thirdly, Mr. Speaker, sir, infrastructure development. The construction and upgrading of port facilities guided by the Fiji Road Authority will improve local infrastructure, providing long-term benefits to the community. Mr. Speaker, sir, the private sector will also benefit. Firstly, through economic activities. The release of $647,000 to the tropic wood industries will stimulate the activities within the private sector through budget subsidy. Secondly, Mr. Speaker, sir, business opportunity. The logistics and transportation sector will benefit from the movement of 6 barge load, each carrying 2,000 tons of log, creating new business opportunities and partnership. Thirdly, Mr. Speaker, sir, sustainable practice. By adhering to sustainable logging practice, the private sector can demonstrate its commitment to environmental stewardship, corporate social responsibility, enhancing its reputation to ensuring a long-term viability. And the national as a whole, Mr. Speaker, sir, there will be firstly expected economic growth. The overall economic contribution of this logging operation, including job creation and business opportunity will support national economic growth. Secondly, sustainable development. The project aligns with our national goal of promoting sustainable practice, ensuring that our natural resources are managed responsibly for future generations. Mr. Speaker, sir, thirdly, on enhanced infrastructure. The improvement in port facilities and related infrastructure will have a lasting positive impact on national logistics and capabilities. Mr. Speaker, sir, with the cooperation and assistance of our financial and investment partners, we are confident that this long overdue harvesting of matured marine pine project will yield positively outcome for all stakeholders involved. Together, we can continue to drive economic growth, promote sustainable practice, ensure improved livelihood, and support a well-being of our people. Thank you for this opportunity.